Today we're going to teach you how to find angles of a circle. Using the example below, we will explain how and what to do to solve for the angles. But first we'll start out with some definitions. A radius is half of the diameter, and a diameter is the full across. A chord goes across but is not at the center of the circle. An intercepted arc is between two different lines, and this is the intercepted angle. Suppose you work for an architectural firm and new business complex is in the process of being designed. The plans for the complex include a circular courtyard within a square area with side lengths of 8.4 yards. The points A, B, C, D, and E represent the points of the star design, and each of the points lies on the circle. Point Q represents the center of the circle. For the star pattern to be uniform, each of the angles should have the same degree measure. What should be the degree measure of each of the angles? We're now drawing 5 diameters on the circle, which splits it up into 10 equal parts. By doing this, our goal is to find the central angle. To find the central angle of the circle, you have to divide 360, which is the degrees of the circle, by 10 parts, which is how many parts are in the circle. Doing this, we find the central angle to be 36 degrees. So each of these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, is 36 degrees.
Thanks, Ben.
Because the central angle is 36, that also makes the arc across it 36. Since our goal is to find the point of the stars, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line combining the two arcs. When we combine the two arcs, we get 72 degrees. By getting 72 degrees, to find the intercepted angle, we divide the intercepted arc by 2, which gives us 36. So the measurement of points A, B, C, D, and E is 36 degrees. Now that we have determined the answer to question 1 is 36 degrees, we can go on to question 2. Question 2 is, what is the diameter of the circle? The diameter of the circle is 8.4 yards because the circle touches the square. Question 3, what is the distance along the outer edge of the courtyard between two consecutive points in the star? We find that by combining two lines, which gives us the arc of 72, which the distance is 72. Question 4. Square tiles with side lengths of 10 inches will be used to tile the courtyard. How many pavers will be needed to order to construct the courtyard? First, we find the area of all the square tiles, which is 100 inches squared. Then, by using the diameter of the circle, which is 8.4, we convert that to feet, which is 25.2 feet, and then from that we convert it to inches, which is 302.4 inches. By doing that, we can then find the circumference of the circle. So 302.4 feet times pi equals 950.02 inches squared. So that's the circumference of the circle. Then to find how many pavers we need, we will divide 950.02 by 100, which gives us 9.5 pavers, or tiles. And now that we have answered all the questions on the paper, you have your final answers. I hope our video on how to do angles was very helpful to you. Thank you for watching.